Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss some multiple choice questions. These questions are important for your board exam, JEE, NEET and other entrance exams. These questions are from haloalkane and aryl halide, and each MCQ has one option correct. Let us start. Question number 1. Which of the following is Horns-Diker reaction? You see 4 options are there. Please find the correct answer. Yes, it is A. But try to find the name of other reactions. Second bit is known as Dargen process. Third one is Dawes process. Last one is Finkelstein reaction. Next, question number 2. You see but1N is there. The reagent is not given. In presence of CCl4 gives corresponding bromide. The reagent in above process is bromine, NBS, AgBr, all of this. Here allylic bromination takes place, so the reagent can be known to you, or you can find the correct option. Yes, option B is correct, and you see the structure of NVS is written. Which is true about nucleophiles? RO- is stronger than RCO-. Next bit, CH3O- is stronger than CH3CO-, tertiary butoxide. Next bit, HO- is weaker than HS-. D, all of these. Out of these 4 bits, first 3 options are correct options. So the most appropriate one is all of these. So option D is the correct one. Next question. High temperature favors E1 compared to SN1. E2 for dehydrohalogenation is favored in presence of an anti-beta hydrogen atom. Polar protic solvent slows down E2. Last bit, all of this. Here all options are correct, so the most appropriate one is all of this. Next question. E1CB mechanism is carried out. Bit 1, high temperature. Bit 2, in presence of a strong base. Bit 3, at beta position an electron withdrawing group should be there. Here all these options are correct, so most appropriate one is D, all of these. Here all these options are correct, so most appropriate one is D. Usually E1C mechanism is carried out in presence of a poor leaving group, strong base, and electron withdrawing group at beta position at high temperature. Next question. Which is the intermediate in the following reaction? C2H5O- ethoxide plus PHCH2CH2Br. The products are PHCH1CH2 and Br-. Obviously this reaction follows E1C mechanism because C2H5O- is a strong base, temperature is high or given, and the leaving group is bromide. You see there are 2 carbon atoms, one is alpha and the other one is beta. Beta group is connected to a phenyl group, means electron withdrawing group. So the H atom connected to beta carbon can be removed by C2H5O- or can be taken by C2H5O-. So it follows E1C mechanism, and the intermediate is supposed to be PHCH- CH2Br. Here the option A is correct. Next question, which is not true? You see, there are 4 options. Next, optically active 2-iodooctane on treatment with sodium iodide in dry stone gives recipe mixture. Third bit, CH3 whole 3C MgBr D2O gives CH3 whole 3C MgD plus HOBr. Last bit, C6H5CH2 CHBr CH3 in presence of alcoholic OH and HBr gives the product as shown. Obviously the option C is not correct, because in this case MgBr will be removed and C is connected to deuterium and the product should be like this, so the option is not correct. So in 7th question, bit C is not correct. Both E2 and E1C follow second order kinetics. Correct. Optically active 2-iodooctane on treatment with sodium iodide dry stone gives inverted product. So both retention and inversion takes place. So you are supposed to get a recipe mixture. Next question, which has the highest nucleophilicity? F minus, CH3 minus, OH minus, NH2 minus. CH3 minus has the highest nucleophilicity and it is the strongest base also. Next question, you see this compound on hydrolysis in aqueous acetone is supposed to give 2 compounds. The Cl is replaced by OH, or it can be connected to the first position from left side below CH3. So there are 2 possible products. Here, after the removal of Cl minus from it gains positive charge, or carbon gains positive charge. The carbocation becomes stable by hydride shift. The H from left is shifted to the secondary carbocation and a tertiary carbocation is formed. This carbocation is attacked by OH minus, so you are supposed to get 2 alcohols. Next, you see this nitrogen in the middle is connected to 4 methyl groups, so N carries positive charge, I minus is there. When treated with sodium hydroxide, OH minus prefers to take 1 CH3, becomes CH3OH, and N plus gains the electron pair from NCH3 bond and it becomes CH3 whole 3 and alcohol is produced. Here no beta hydrogen is there, so no E2 mechanism is carried out. Here the mechanism is SN2 type. Thank you.